Alright guys, Sam here from Built Not Bought. I want to run you through our latest project, which people don't really understand what the bloody hell is going on here, but I'm going to tell you exactly what's happening. When I was a kid, I wanted to build something that basically didn't exist yet. What does everyone love? Big tires, big suspension, big motor. So that's exactly what I've decided to go ahead and do. Full Built Not Bought spec. It's made out of RHS, making my own chassis. We got coilovers, triple bypass shocks, 40-inch tires, patrol diffs, everything handmade, and we're dropping an XC body on the top. So the idea of this is to kind of mix between forward driving and street machine. So it's like half 4B on the bottom, half street machine on the top. And I want the motor sitting higher than the windscreen. I want that thing huge. We're gonna have a 454 big block, 671 supercharger, and 2 Garrett turbos feeding into that thing. So it's gonna make a ton of noise. This is the ride height. So this is how high the chassis is gonna sit. So that is happening on the channel now. We've got a couple episodes out at the moment, and it'll probably run us through to the end of the year. It's a massive undertaking, but I'm pretty excited to see how it's gonna look when it's done.